right over. This is the spot. Okay guys, we just made it to the Kattu Mariyamman Kovil. Check that right over here. So the Kattu Mariyamman Kovil is 2.4 kilometers away from the Kottagala tunnel. So yeah, it's like a 4-minute drive, 3 minutes. So now the main reason we're going to the Kattu Mariyamman Kovil is because we want to see the Devon Falls. There's a pretty good view, as they say. This is my first time going here, so I am also excited. So let's go. That's what the entrance looks like. Check that out right over here. So from here you just gotta go inside, and there is a little bit of a walk, but yeah. So if we go down, they say there's a pretty beautiful view of the Devon Falls. So I am also excited, you know. So now there's another thing that most of you does. Where is the Kattu Mariyamman Kovil located? So it's located in Dimbula, 2.4 kilometers away from the Kottagala tunnel. So now let's go down. Yeah, this whole area is like covered with tea plants and eucalyptus trees. I think they're eucalyptus. Right over there. Comment down below what those trees are. I think they're eucalyptus. If you argue with me, just comment it down. Now even here there are so many tea leaves. This whole area is tea. That whole area is also tea. So yeah, let's go down. So I think we see it. Let's go down and see. Now we can hear it, but so far we can't see it. But let's see. This whole area, so cool. Let's go down. These trees are massive. It's like, I don't know, can the camera see it clearly? Let's go to this side. See? It's like colorful, sort of red color. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Just comment down below what tree it is. Like the peels are, like the bark is peeling out. It's also pretty interesting because we don't usually see these trees around here. Now, not really, I know it's like a whole different area. So yeah, I guess as the climate changes, different plants also change. You can see a little bit of Devon Falls right over there. Right over there. I think if we go there, we can have a pretty good view. I think the views are getting better and better. I just walk a little bit more down, and now let's check out the view. Right over there. Now I feel like this is a very beautiful waterfall. Well, there are two parts in the waterfall, so yeah, it's pretty cool, pretty beautiful. Yeah, that's what I gotta say. And then there's like a valley. Let's just see what we got over there. Yeah, it's like a pretty cool area. So if you're like going through the Kottagala tunnel, because I highly recommend you go through here because it's a pretty good experience. There's some blue flowers. That out. Yeah, it's like a crazy forest where you can like see this beautiful area. It's pretty beautiful, pretty cool. I really like it. Oh yeah, we're getting pretty close. That out. Yeah, I think if we go right over there, we can just like perfect. Oh man, here's beautiful. Like, dude. Check that out! It's perfect! But why don't we get a little bit more down to see if there's something even more special? Yeah, this area is... What's that? It's a snake or something. But... and that looks like the viewpoint of the day. There's a stone. I think you can probably stand on top of the stone. Yeah, let's just see. Oh yeah, this is the view point of the legends. Check that out. Wow, that's beautiful. Yeah, we started like way up above over there and now we ended up right next to it. Actually, I'm also pretty surprised that we went above this and we did not notice that it was there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Yeah, now this is gonna wrap it up for this video. So hope you guys enjoyed it. We went to the Devon Falls. We made it beautiful. We made everything look cool. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. So peace.